Hey, welcome to Beach Walks with Cathy. We're obviously still up in the hangout. We haven't taken off yet, but I want you to get your walking toes on and get ready and head down with the pups and I this morning and take a nice little walk along the beach. Who knows what we'll find out there? It's always different, always exciting, always fun. Let's go. Hey, my name's Cathy, and I welcome you to this wondrous beach walk. Sunrise. Nice to be able to see colors in our sky again. It's been so cloudy lately, full of rain. I think this is promising to be a really nice day. Let's take a walk and see how it looks along the shoreline. Really amazing how far up the sea has come. Look at this. It cleaned the beach right off. Jeez, hey, that's amazing. That was all turtle grass. Now it's all pushed back there this far. A little bit of a pretty sunrise happening. The powers that be tell us this is supposed to be a rain-free day. I hope they're right. I've got lots of laundry to put on those lines. Oh, they say right now at 5:44, 5:45 is sunrise. So we're going to turn around and take a look and see if that's true. It'll take a few more minutes probably to get above those trees. We'll check back in a few minutes, but that's promising. Come on, boys, let's head back this way. Digging more holes. Looking for those crabs. Oh, look at those tails go. Brownie got it. Oh, look at who's here. Rocco's here. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. What you doing? You're waiting for a cookie. You're waiting for a cookie. Sit, sit, sit. There's Leo. That means Michael's not far behind. And here he comes. Hey, he's taking his morning jog now. Look at that, huh? Morning jog. Yay! Yay! There they go, the three musketeers. Hey, thanks for watching. The dogs don't want to go in yet, but it's time. It's 6 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, we come back down here. They run around, they do their thing, and then they have breakfast. So, very short time, we'll be back. Here comes the big black beach panther. Brownie's laying in wait. Come on, Gizmo. Good morning, buddy. Hello.